Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the S9 Ultra and your phone. Charge the watch to at least 30% and press the side button to power on. Once on, open the S9 Ultra app on your phone and choose Pair. Confirm the numeric code on both devices so they trust each other. Make sure to grant Bluetooth, location, notifications, and health access. Without those permissions, features like workouts and alerts won't sync. Once paired, keep devices close while initial data transfers complete. Now customize how the watch behaves and what it measures. In settings, set your dominant wrist, time format, and units so readings match your habits. Calibrate heart rate and SpO2 by staying still for 30 to 60 seconds while the sensors stabilize. This improves accuracy during workouts. Next, configure notification filters and do not disturb schedules so you only get important alerts. Finally, arrange quick access widgets for workouts, weather, and music so you can start actions with once. Finish by ensuring data flows and software is current. Open the companion app and tap Sync Now. Verify steps, sleep, and recent workouts appear. If a firmware update is offered, plug the watch in and update with at least 50% battery to avoid interruptions. Make sure backups are enabled in the app so you can restore settings later. If something goes wrong, restart the watch and phone, then repair. That simple step resolves most connectivity or sensor issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.